Hello, everyone. Welcome back. My name is Glenn. This is Legally Speaking. I'm an attorney with Woods and Bates here in Lincoln. Today, I want to talk a little bit about revocable living trusts and the reasons why those may not avoid having to probate a will. So a revocable living trust is a document or a legal arrangement where someone creates that trust and they transfer their assets during their lifetime to the ownership of that trust. They maintain control over it. They can modify it and revoke it as necessary, but that document would nominate the trustee. Normally that's the person that created it and a successor to act if that person is unable to act for some reason. One of the main benefits of a revocable living trust is the hope that it would avoid probate. So we wouldn't have to probate a will and have a court process when somebody dies. But sometimes that doesn't work. One of the main reasons that doesn't work is because the trust is not properly funded. So one of the things that needs to be done is the assets that the individual who has created the trust owns need to be transferred to the trust. So that may be by way of deeds, could be by way of changing ownership on accounts at the bank, whatever the case may be. But that's the main reason that trusts do not avoid probate is the assets are not retitled and lined up with that revocable living trust plan. Sometimes things change. Sometimes people acquire assets after the fact, and that can be a triggering event that those assets don't get titled in the name of the trust. And then we have to probate a will to get those assets to the trust. And now we've added a step. One of the other reasons may be debts or taxes or things like that need to be planned for to avoid probate. If the goal is to avoid probate, it can be done, but those trusts need to be reviewed from time to make sure they're current. Assets need to be reviewed to make sure that they line up and are owned by the trust so that probate process can be avoided. If we can help with that, or if we can discuss those things with you, we'd be happy to do. Our telephone number is 217-735-1234. Thank you.